my grandfather, Mawlana Shaykh Nazim, this place is his dargah, and it's his shrine also. Mawlana Shaykh Nazim had a different approach to people. He was not targeting Muslim people, because he was saying the Muslim people already, they are somehow on the right path. So he was targeting people who were not Muslim, non-Muslim people. Because we know Allah Almighty created everyone, Muslim, non-Muslim. All humanity is created by Allah Almighty. Somehow they are all His creation. He created them because He cares for them. If they do wrong, they'll get punished, but it doesn't mean that He doesn't care for them. So Mawlana Shaykh, one of his mission was to spread the word of Islam, word of Allah Almighty, the love of Prophet ﷺ, to the hearts of people who are non-Muslim. So that's why he went to England very often. He went to Europe, he went to America, and through these visits he spread the tariqah to non-Muslim people. He spread Islam to non-Muslim people, and from those seeds he planted in 70s, 80s, now the trees are coming. So even though he physically left us, he passed on, still all these people are bringing new people from Europe, from non-Muslim people, and still they are converting. And Mawlana Shaykh, his approach was, he was very tolerant to people, but very strict on himself.
Yes.
So this tolerance made many people, also many Muslims who are not practicing, who lost their path, to come to the right path. So with this tolerance, people would come, do little, but in time they will improve themselves to be strict on themselves also. So that's why many people, we are trying to bring people, we are trying to bring the nur of Allah Almighty. We are trying to teach, bring the love of the Prophet ﷺ to people who are not on any path.